Now, let me explain how to fix the error message. Two main people are using this feature in CapCut on your PC. First, you should wait a bit and try again later, as this issue often indicates that CapCut's servers are overloaded. First, you should wait a little while and then try again later, as this can help greatly. This error often indicates that CapCut's servers are overloaded, as you can see here, causing temporary access issues, especially for AI features, templates, effects, auto subtitles, and various other common tools. As you can see, these could often be overloaded. Usually, this issue is temporary, so please check your internet connection to ensure it's working properly. Now let's try switching to a different network. Carefully restart or reboot your router for better connectivity. Temporarily, mobile data is being used, which is commonly referred to as mobile internet. If you're having trouble, try using internet sharing. If you have a friend nearby, kindly ask them to share their internet connection with you. If it's not working, as you can see here, try carefully restarting CapCut by fully closing it and then rebooting the application for better performance. Also, as always, you should check the cache in your CapCut. A cluttered cache can significantly slow down your CapCut experience, causing frustrating delays. You go into the settings, and as you can see here, you delete it carefully. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.